In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create viral YouTube thumbnails. Canva is an amazing tool for designing eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention, boost clicks, and help your videos stand out among the competition. To get started, open Canva in your web browser. If you don't have an account, creating one is quick, free, and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top and type thumbnail. You'll see a wide range of templates in different styles and themes. Take your time to explore them, because the right template sets the tone for your video and can greatly influence viewer engagement. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then select Customize this template. This will open Canva's design editor, where you can add your personal touch and make your thumbnail truly unique. The first element to focus on is text. Double-click on any text box and type in your own content. Make sure your text is bold, clear, and easy to read. This is what viewers will notice first in their feed. Choose colors and fonts that align with your channel's brand for consistency and recognizability. Next, let's add imagery. On the left-hand menu, click on Uploads to bring in your own images, or click Upload Media to select files from your device. Drag your image onto the template and position it perfectly within your design. Play with the layout, sizing, and layering until everything feels balanced. Remember, visuals are crucial in making your thumbnail engaging, clickable, and shareable. Finally, when your thumbnail looks just right, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose a high-quality PNG or JPEG for best results. Your thumbnail is now ready to impress your audience, attract more clicks, and help your videos gain more visibility on YouTube. And that's it. With Canva's tools, your creativity, and a few smart design choices, you can craft thumbnails that not only look professional, but also increase the chance of going viral. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!